Exploring Python using for loops with lists. Welcome, Python enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the versatile world of for loops and how they can be used with lists. Let's start with a list, shall we? Here's our list. Now, let's say we want to perform an operation on each item in this list. Enter the for loop, a powerful construct in Python for iterating over elements in a list. With a for loop, we can iterate through each item in the list, one at a time, and perform operations as needed. Let's see it in action. In this example, we're simply printing out each item in the list. And here are the results. As you can see, the for loop iterates over each item in the list and executes the specified operation. To summarize, for loops are incredibly useful when working with lists in Python. They allow us to easily iterate over each item in a list and perform operations on them. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you continue to explore the power of Python's for loops with lists in your coding journey.